Officials and activists say at least 40 people in Sudan have been killed in a drone strike that targeted a funeral that was taking place outside the army-held city of El Obeid in North Kordofan state. They blamed the paramilitary Rapid Support Forces (RSF) for yesterday's attack, as mourners had gathered in a tent. Many reportedly died before getting to hospital. And officials say at least 40 people have been killed and hundreds of thousands forced to flee their homes as one of the strongest typhoons this year ripped through the central Philippines. Typhoon Kalmegi has flooded large areas, including entire towns on the most populated central island of Cebu, where most fatalities occurred. Videos show people sheltering on rooftops, while cars and shipping containers have been swept through the streets. The Philippine Air Force, PAF, said the military helicopter deployed to assist relief efforts crashed in northern Mindanao Island, killing 6 crew members on board.